dito eh. What we hate in this committee is those who are pretending to be Filipinos but foreigners who wants to own our different properties and own different corporations. That's what we wanted to find out in this committee.
May we advise the lawyer, the counsel of Mr. Bigay, that you can only coach him. Do not give him the answers because we will directly ask questions to Mr. Bigay. Okay.
Please use the mic.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Continue, Congressman Fernandez.
Mr. Henry Bigay, you are incorporator of Yatay Industrial Park Incorporated. Am I correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And also the Yatay International.
Yes, Your Honor.
And also of the Omni.
Sorry, Your Honor, I'm not an incorporator of Yatay
BOD.
International.
Board of Directors?
Yes.
Yes. And the Omni,
I'm,
Board of Director.
if I'm not mistaken, I'm also an incorporator for OMP.
If I'm correct, you don't know if you are an incorporator of Omni?
Medyo halo-halo na po kasi, Your Honor.
Sa dami nyo ng corporation, sa dami nyong... I hope you don't mind, Mr. Henry Bigay. No? The reason why we're doing this to ask questions is to really find out the truth. No? Yung kasi medyo masyado ng masalimuot yung problema natin ng we love our Filipino-born Chinese having a Chinese father or mother who chose to be a Filipino. We love them because magkakasama na tayo dito eh. What we hate in this committee is those who are pretending to be Filipinos but foreigners who wants to own our different properties and own different corporations. That's what we wanted to find out in this committee. And if you are a legitimate business, we are proud of you. We are with you with all of these things. But if you are a foreigner pretending to be a Filipino and owning corporations and different properties, then we are enemies. I hope we understand that, Mr. Henry Bigay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Henry Bigay, are you a product of late registration? When you were born in 1992, I believe that you were born in 1992, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you are a 36-year-old who start 36-year-old ka na ngayon, di ba?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
1992 ka pinanganak, di ba?
So, I'm just 32.
32.
Tama ba? 32. So you are a 32-year-old. And you became the president of the Yatay Industrial Park last year, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you were an incorporator noong 2017.
Yes, Your Honor.
So kung susumahan natin 'yon, 7 years ago, you were like 25 years old, incorporator ka na ng Yatay Industrial Park.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, so during that time of your incumbency as incorporator, were you in what do you call this? Siyempre, incorporator kayo, nagmi-meeting kayo. So, magkakasama kayo nila Eddie Yang.
Sir, hindi po. So,
Hindi mo siya nakita kahit minsan?
nakita ko po siya. Sir, can I read my letter that I submitted? Yes.
Letter? Yes, of course.
My position paper that submitted yesterday.
Okay.
I would like to read my position paper.
Sige, go ahead. And then,
Thanks, Your Honor.
ito ba yung 3 pages?
Ito.
Yung 3 pages, di ba? How many pages?
3 pages, pero yung last page po.
You as the chairman. I am not the chairman.
Okay. If I may interject, Congressman Dan. In your letter, you said your name is Henry Bigay,
Yes, Your Honor.
and sometimes you are also called Henry Yang.
Yes,
Is
Your
that
Honor.
correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Why is that so?
Because I followed my mother's surname.
Ang mother mo ay Bigay ang apelyido.
Yes, my
no?
biological mother is Bigay po.
And in your letter, you said, may I state for the record that I am a Filipino citizen, having been born of Filipino mother by the name of Maria Luisa Bigay, correct? Out of wedlock on January 15, 1992. My father, however, Yang Wah Hong, is Chinese. Tama? This is accurate,
Yes,
no?
accurate.
I use the family name Bigay, which is my biological mother's surname. Sometimes, however, I am also called Henry Yang,
Yes.
following my father's surname. Tama ba yun?
Yes.
Accurate yun, di ba? Dahil yun ang sinabi mo rito eh. Now, kilala mo si Michael Yang,
Hindi po, sir.
si AD Yang,
Si Eddie Yang po nakikita ko po, sir.
kilala mo.
Not really close na kilala.
What is your relationship with AD Yang?
He's incorporator of one of our company, but he knew my father through our family association, the Yang Association. And then Eddie Yang approached my father to propose a business. So
Okay.
that's why we knew Eddie Yang.
So ang inyong relationship with AD Yang is just business, purely business.
Opo.
Okay. Would you know kung anong negosyo ni Mr. AD Yang other than yung partnership nyo?
Hindi po namin po alam.
Pero alam mo ba na meron siyang mga ibang kumpanya rito?
Hindi rin po namin alam.
Alam mo ba na meron siyang mga properties na binili?
Wala rin po akong alam.
Hindi mo rin alam. Okay. If I may ask, si Mr. Willie Ong, kilala mo?
Hindi po, sir.
Si Elaine Chua, kilala mo?
Hindi po.
Michelle C.
Hindi po.
Jack T. Yang.
Hindi po.
Si Jack Yang, kapatid ba ni Eddie Yang?
Hindi ko po alam, sir.
Hindi mo alam. Have you spoken to Mr. Eddie Yang face to face?
Eddie Yang po, yes
How
po.
many times?
More than 10 siguro po.
More than 10. Is he in the country?
I don't know po.
When was the last time you spoke to him?
Last year, if I knew,
Last year? Anong buwan?
early last year po, hindi ko na rin po maalala eh. Pero before we do see each other kasi sa mga gatherings, associations,
Si Yang Wang, this is your father.
yes po, Your
Okay. Is he in the country?
Honor. He's currently out po.
Where? Where is he now?
He's in Xiamen po.
In Xiamen.
He flew before the letter arrived po kasi. So he cannot come back.
Do you stay with your father?
Yes po.
So the next time we invite him, make sure he will be present in the committee.
Yes po.
Okay? Please advise your father. You know, Mr. Lincoln Oy Ung,
Yes po.
who is he?
He's
Sa
a,
pagkakalam mo.
he's a student of my father before.
Student of your father? Is your father a professor?
It's a sa wushu, Chinese martial
Wushu.
arts. Yes.
Wushu. Okay. Oh. Magaling dyan si Dan sa Wushu. Oh. National champion to. Oh. Oh. So yun lang pagkakakilala mo at pagkakaalam mo kay Mr. Lincoln Oy Ung. Uy Ong.
He's also one of our incorporators before.
One of your
Incorporators before
anong company?
sa Omni po.
Sa Omni. Okay. So, who's the president of Omni?
Can I check my record?
Sige, please.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I'm the president of Omni.
You took
Hindi, sorry.
it took you 2 minutes.
Hindi, dami kasi to.
Ah, ano yun?
Nahilo lang po ako, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
Nahilo lang po ako, Your
Nahilo
Honor.
ka lang.
Gusto
oh.
ko lang sigurado tama yung masasabi ko kasi naka-under oath po kasi ako eh.
Ilan
Mahirap
ba-
na magkamali.
Mr. Chair. Sige.
Yes, Congressman Fernandez.
Ilan ba ang ilang kumpanya ba ang hawak ng pamilya niyo? Ilang companies?
Madami-dami rin po.
So,
ata.
hindi, ilan nga? So I know you're ready kasi nga we have given you the chance, no? Hindi kayo matindong last hearing. So the reason you're here because we have issued also a subpoena na ba tayo? Show cause order pa sa kanya. Subpoena na, di ba? And that's the reason why you were here. So kailangan handa ka sa mga itatanong namin. So ilan ang korporasyon ninyo?
Your Honor, I really need to check kung ilan. Estimate I can give.
Ilan na estimate?
Pito po.
7. At sa 7 yon, ilan ang presidente ka?
I can also estimate lang din po kasi hindi ko po hawak.
Presidente ng korporasyon ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, Henry. Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, ilan sa 7 yan na presidente ka? Yan naman tanong, napakasimple nun, Henry. Ako pag may-ari ako ng kumpanya, alam ko na ako may-ari ng kumpanya. Hindi ko iisipin. Ha? Right away, sasabihin ko, ako presidente ng kumpanyang yan. Especially that this company is so big, ha? Ang Omni, malaki yan eh, di ba? So hindi mo alam na ikaw ang presidente ng Omni? After 2 minutes, na-realize mo, ikaw pala.
Sir, yung Omni na company po ay ginagamit lang po namin sa online po. Dahil po,
It doesn't make sense eh, Henry. Even if it is being used for any purpose, but you are the president, you must know that you are the president. Hindi mo nagagamitan. Henry, you are a degree holder, a Master of International Marketing from the Holt International Business School, and you are a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration in College of St. Benil. Now, hindi mo alam na ikaw ang may-ari ng korporasyon, nag-iisip ka pa, at sa 7 ito na korporasyon na sinasabi mo, hindi mo alam kung ilan ang presidente ka, I will tell you. Ikaw ang presidente ngayon ng Yatay Industrial Park.
opo, alam ko po.
Di ba? Mas alam ko sa iyo na ikaw ang presidente ng Yatay kaysa alam mo na ikaw ang presidente.
Hindi. Opo.
Henry, again, gusto namin malaman dito yung katotohanan. We don't want to put you in any trouble. But your degree of being a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Export Management, nagdududa ako kung totoo tong ano mo. Nagdududa ako kung totoo tong degree mo. At master ka ng International Marketing from Holt International Business School. Saan to?
Sa San Francisco po.
San Francisco. Henry, hindi simple ang pinag-aralan mo. And I know you can answer truly.
Father ko po kasi nagpo-posisyon sa amin kung ano yung posisyon namin sa kumpanya po. So minsan nahihilo na rin po ako kung ano po yung posisyon ko bawat kumpanya. Yun lang po.
Ang mother mo ba is si Maria Luisa Bigay?
Siya po yung birth mom ko.
Taga saan ang mother mo, Henry? Taga saan ang mother mo?
Based on my birth certificate po, taga Manila po siya. Hindi ko po siya nakita nung bata po.
Hindi mo alam kung saan ang pinanganak ang nanay mo.
Sa Manila po.
Saan sa Manila siya pinanganak?
Santa Cruz po siguro.
Ilang taon na ang nanay mo?
Hindi,
Hindi mo alam kung ilang taon na nanay mo. Buhay pa ba nanay mo?
yung birth mom ko po, hindi ko po kilala. At saka hindi ko po alam kung ilang taon na siya.
Yung birth
mom.
mom mo, hindi mo siya
Nakita.
Hindi ko siya
nakita.
Hiwalay po sila ng tatay ko po. Hindi po sila kasal.
If I
So,
may interject,
PSA, can
if I may interject before we proceed
Okay, sige, go
with
ahead,
the
Mr. Chair.
PSA. So, sundan ko lang yung tanong ni Congressman Dan Fernandez. Since birth, nung pinanganak ka, hindi na kayo nagkita ng mother mo.
Hindi po. Tatay ko lang po kasama ko.
Ano, no?
Hindi po.
Pero dito sa Yatay International, incorporator siya. Mother mo to si Maria Luisa S. Bigay, di ba? Di ba?
Hindi po siya pinakilala sa akin as mother since bata. So hindi ko rin po alam kung sino yung
Pero ito ito sa records ng Yatay International, ang mga incorporators dyan, Jonathan Carlos, kilala mo yan.
sorry po mga incorporators po, hindi ko po kilala since bata pa po ako noon.
Bakit ganun? Bakit ganun? Di ba nga kasama mo sa yung
Hindi,
incorporator
yung
mo?
mga member po ngayon, kilala ko po. Pero yung tinayo po siya noong 1996, hindi ko po siya kilala. 96 pa po kasi siya tinatag.
This is updated, di ba? Oh. Oo nga. Okay. So, are you telling us na the time na kailan na-register ito? Si Yatay?
1996 po.
1996.
1992 naman po ako pinanganak. So around 4 to 5 years old po ako nung tinayo yung kumpanya.
Mhm. Kasi andito si Maria Luisa Bigay, Jocelyn Ting, at saka Yang Wang. Ito yung father mo.
Yes
di ba?
po.
So, can we ask the SEC to
Yes.
to give us an update?
Yeah, that's what,
Sige.
Mr. Chairman, I think we have to find out yung Maria Luisa Bigay, no? Can you kindly give us the update of this personality, yung Maria Luisa Bigay, because incorporator siya, pero sinasabi ni Mr. Henry Bigay, hindi niya na-meet yung kanyang nanay. So hindi niya nakita yung kanyang nanay. Pero dito sa Yatay International, makikita mo, incorporator siya at si Henry Bigay is board of director. So hindi kayo nakita ng nanay mo dito sa mga meeting nyo sa Yatay International?
Nung naging board of director po ako, nasa around 2018 na po ata yun.
1996. Ikaw ba late registration bang?
Based on my birth certificate, mga 3 months late siya from my birth.
Can you kindly give us the information about the late registration nung ni Henry Bigay, no? Saan ka nag-preschool? Saan ka nag-elementary?
Sa Chiang Kai-shek College po.
Saan yun?
Sa May Tondo.
Sa
Sa Tondo po.
saan ka? Doon ka rin nag-high school?
Doon ako po nagtapos ng high school.
Saka elementary?
Opo. Kinder to high school. Doon po ako
And then nagpunta ka ng Lasal?
Opo, sa Binil po.
And then saka ka nagpunta ng
Halt International.
sa Halt International. Can you kindly submit the documents pertaining to your... I hope you don't mind, no? If ever that we ask for the
Sure,
documents
it's
coming
okay.
from this
Opo.
school
I can give it to you po. I have
para
prepared.
mabalanse lang po natin dun sa ano. Kasi medyo nagulat naman ako dun sa issue ng about nung sa mother mo, no? But anyway, were you born in a hospital or
Yes, in a Chinese
Chinese
General
hospital? Yeah.
Chinese
Can,
General Hospital.
can we also furnish this committee ng documents coming from Chinese General Hospital, please?
Will request from the hospital.
Okay.
po.
May tanong ako sa iyo, Mr. Henry Bigay. Because ang sinasabi mo dito sa opening statement mo, nabasa ko na kasi yung opening statement mo. You were telling us that ang may kilala kay A.D. Yang ay yung tatay mo si Yang Hua Hong. Is this
Opo.
correct?
Opo.
At kung magkakilala sila, according sa letter mo dito, ang father mo ang talagang in charge doon sa raising funds and talking to the potential investors for this project.
Opo.
At ang project na yon ay yung Yatay Industrial Park Incorporated. Magkano ang puhunan dito sa pagtatayo ng Yatay Industrial Park Incorporated?
30 million po.
30 million. At lahat to sinagot ng tatay mo.
Sa pagkaalam ko po.